See, schools are shut and the administration has advised everyone to stay indoors. But what is happening here in Rajouri, that people who are migrants themselves, who came to Rajouri for jobs months ago, or those who have been working here for years, they are all leaving this city right now due to continuous shelling, not just in Rajouri, but in the neighboring district of Poonch as well. They both are the districts along the line of control. Continuous shelling has been happening for past multiple days, and people are very scared. They're tense. They're not sure of what kind of information is trickling in, because as soon as the sunset happens, just after the sunset, everything goes dark, everything goes silent here. All the petrol fuel stations or the petrol pumps here have gone dry. Gone dry in the sense that there are no employees. People are queuing up early morning to gather all what they can, and then they are moving towards the lower lying areas, towards Jammu, and even some people we spoke to have even left for Delhi. Continuous shelling has led to injuries, as you are saying rightly here. Kids have been injured, not in Rajouri but in the neighboring district of Poonch. There is no respite for people because they don't know when the exact retaliation from Pakistan will happen and what would be the targets. Because yesterday there were rumors around, as Gurpreet was telling, it was happening alongside Amritsar border. There were a lot of rumors, visuals on social media. Internet as of now is working in Rajouri district. There were also rumors earlier that perhaps there could be a partial or a complete shutdown or the suspension of internet or the network, mobile network here, but that is not happening. Also, as of now, it's raining here, and we have seen hordes of people boarding private vehicles, and they are moving towards other cities, towards Jammu and towards safer areas which are not facing shelling. So people over here, the permanent residents of the city, are indoors. The schools are shut. There are certain injured people who were admitted to the government hospital. The local MLA, the Deputy Commissioner of the Rajouri district, they are constantly monitoring the situation, issuing alerts when it is needed, and also advising people not to roam around or gather in areas.
Are there some safer places which have been identified by the administration to ensure that the civilians can be moved there, evacuation measures being carried out, and rather than people leaving their own homes and, just moving on their own? What about the administrative support being given to them?
See, Maria, this is Rajouri is not an area where these people have witnessed or are witnessing it for the first time. So generally, the local civilians have their own arrangements as well. And the more administration tries to pacify them or the administration tries to evacuate them, people try to opt for their own measures, for their own facilities. That is why a lot of people have left the area. There are bunkers and all, makeshift bunkers people have in their own residences as well. So people keep moving to that location as well. Administration has also identified locations. All the hospitals are on standby. The doctors, the government officials have been asked not to take leaves. So the current situation is such that both the districts, Rajouri and Poonch, along the line of control, are facing shelling for many days. But it is the Poonch district which has taken a severe brunt of Pakistan's shelling.